Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Raka Satria Sinan Aryan. I'm from class 8.3 and my absent number is 28. Today I am going to be talking about the human body. The human body is really complicated and it has a lot of processes. And first of all, there's the digestion process, excretion process, respiratory, circulatory, and yeah, I think, I think that's it. So for today, I am going to be talking about the digestive process first, and yeah. So let's begin. The digestive process is basically the process which takes place from our mouth all the way to our bottom. First of all, digestive process occurs when we eat a food or we, drink something or just ingest something basically. And then the food goes from our mouth and some of the things is broken down by there, like for example carbohydrate is broken down into if I'm not correct, I think it's glucose. I think it's broken down right in your mouth by your saliva, and then after that the rest of the food goes through your esophagus and gets broken down physically. Physically, there's like two types of breakdowns, and first one is mechanical, and second one is chemical. The mechanical one is actually for breaking down the food itself, so it's not really breaking down the nutrients, it's just breaking down the body of the food. And the chemical is for breaking down the nutrients, and so that our body can get the nutrients that we need. So the chemical process occurs in the stomach, while the mechanical process occurs in the intestines, if I'm correct. Also, there's another process for it, and that's absorption. When we break down the molecules of food, there's like excess, and the excess will get reabsorbed. For example, the excess is like glucose, water, and other nutrients or minerals that we need, and that will get reabsorbed into our body and fed to all of our cells basically. And I'm also going to be explaining about the excretory system. So there are many ways of there are no not many ways, but there are many parts of the excretory system. First of all, it's the skin will emit sweat, while we will also while our kidneys will emit urine. Also, our body will also produce bile, which is basically if I think bile is like, if I remember, it's the color of the color that makes our urine like yellow. And yeah, also if you're wondering, defecation doesn't count in excretory system. It's basically its own thing. So the excretory system, I am going to be talking about the sweat. And sweat occurs when our internal body, is heated up and the temperature rises too high, and so therefore our skin pores, those little holes in your skin, if you can see them, they will open up. And because our internal temperatures is so hot, they basically release water vapor into the air, and condense into water droplets onto our skin. And yeah, that's basically the excretion of sweat. And the reason why our sweat is like smelly is because we actually release our toxins inside, and so like little bacteria will eat them. And yeah, basically the bacteria and the toxins inside are what makes our sweat sweaty and smelly, I mean. Besides that, they don't really have any other purpose other than just to cool our body down so we don't overheat. And so yeah, time's run out. That's all of the things I have to say today. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.